I'm Henry Gilliland, the mechatronics specialist with Electric Supply and Equipment. In this video, I'm going to discuss the purpose and proper usage of the MASD and MASR instructions using ladder logic in Rockwell's Studio 5000 Logic Designer. The MASD and MASR instructions are specialized instructions associated with a specific operation mode of an integrated axis of motion called the shutdown state. The shutdown state of an axis is the condition where the drive output is disabled, the servo loop is deactivated, and any available or associated solid-state relay contacts are open. MASD stands for Motion Axis Shutdown, and MASR stands for Motion Axis Shutdown Reset. The MASD instruction forces the target axis to transition into a shutdown state. The target axis will remain in the shutdown state until an MASR instruction targeting the same axis is executed. The MASR will also reset any existing axis faults as long as the cause of the fault is no longer present. Let's take a look at the structure of these instructions. These are basic instructions. The only thing you have to do is assign a target axis and create a tag of type motion instruction to control the instruction. There are three status indicator bits: enable, done, and error. I give a more in-depth description of the general usage and operation of motion instructions in the Motion Basics Overview video. There's a link to this video in the description below. Let's build the instruction in ladder logic. You can find these instructions in the Motion State tab of the instruction selector. Insert the instruction on the desired rung, then assign the target axis. Then create a motion instruction tag for each instruction. Then compile the code. Now let's test it out. When you execute the MASD instruction, you will see that the target axis transitions into the shutdown state. Then, when you execute the MASR instruction, the target axis will transition out of the shutdown state and return to the stopped state. As a quick note, in addition to the MASD instruction, there are other possible reasons that a shutdown state might be triggered. For example, there are fault actions that may be configured to trigger the shutdown state. There are also tuning parameters that have limited values. When these limits are exceeded, it may trigger a shutdown state. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions or would like to learn more, please contact your local ES&E account manager or automation specialist.